4 per scale.
This meeting is being recorded.
Sorry, because we already forget to record. So now we can start to record now.
Okay.
Sorry,
Go ahead.
yeah.
It's the first time, yes.
Yeah, first time. So this is a small scale, but in a fifth plan is maybe 3 ton to maybe 10 ton for a scale. And after we scale the ingredient by manual or automatic, we will mix it to make all the ingredient have the equation. Tức là mình sẽ trộn đều ấy. So after we mix it, we will put it in. Hi.
Sorry, someone asked some things. Okay, maybe not.
I think you can explain the vocabulary in Vietnamese to everyone to know the process of all is.
Okay, I will talk about in Vietnamese first.
Yes.
Bước đầu tiên thì chúng ta sẽ có giai đoạn nghiền. Giai đoạn nghiền này thì của mình nó sẽ bắt đầu chuyển từ cái nguyên liệu dạng thô ấy, mình sẽ có ví dụ như là ngô hạt này, lúa mì hạt dạng hạt này, và rất nhiều cái loại khác như là có thể là đậu nành dạng hạt nữa này. Đấy thì sau khi mà mình nghiền nó thì nó sẽ tạo ra được cái độ mịn. Mình nói là độ mịn ở tiếng Anh nó là particle score. Nhất định để làm sao mình sẽ tạo ra được hai cái. Thứ nhất là khi mình nghiền nó nhỏ ấy, thì cái con vật nuôi nó sẽ hấp thụ cái thức ăn dinh dưỡng của mình nó tốt hơn. Cái nữa là khi mà cái độ nghiền mịn của mình nó nhỏ ấy, thì nó sẽ tạo ra cái ma sát nhỏ hơn. Thì chính vì vậy là cái máy móc và các cái thiết bị hao mòn của mình nó cũng sẽ ít đi. Thì đấy là cái mà mình là tại sao mình phải nghiền. Tất nhiên nó cũng sẽ bù lại các cái chi phí khác, là bởi vì mình nghiền thì mình cũng sẽ mất chi phí, mình sẽ cân đối với các chi phí đó, thì nó là một cái bài toán nó rất là dài, thì không sâu ở đây. Đó thì sau khi mà mình nghiền xong ấy, thì mình sẽ cân tất cả các nguyên liệu, bởi vì là ví dụ như mình không thể nào ví dụ mình cho một con lợn ăn độc ngô được, mà mình sẽ phải cân những nguyên liệu khác nhau để mình tạo ra một cái hỗn hợp dinh dưỡng và có cái sự tính toán của công thức. Nó là một cái dây chuyền đằng sau, mình tính toán làm sao để cái con lợn nó có thể lớn nhanh nhất với cái chi phí như vậy. Thì ở đây mình cứ ví dụ là con lợn đấy nhé, bởi vì mình còn nuôi nhiều con khác nữa. Ok, thì thường một cái mẻ cân ở trong một nhà máy công nghiệp thì nó sẽ rơi vào khoảng từ 3 cho đến 10 tấn cho một mẻ trộn, cho nên là cái cân này thì nó sẽ là những cái cân rất là lớn chứ không phải cân nhỏ xinh như thế này. Đó thì sau khi mà mình cân xong ấy, thì nó sẽ có một cái máy người ta gọi là cái máy trộn mixer. Thì đấy nó công đoạn trộn thì mình sẽ trộn tất cả cái nguyên liệu này lên, làm sao nó có một cái độ đồng đều. Thì cái này là nó sẽ mình phải test nó phải đồng đều, thì để tránh sẽ có những cái bao cám mà nó tốt và có những bao cám nó sẽ không tốt, thì đây là mình phải trộn rất là đều. Thì sau khi mà trộn được cái nguyên liệu này xong ấy, thì mình sẽ qua giai đoạn nó gọi là conditioning. Tức là sao? Tức là nó sẽ cho thêm nước này, hơi này, và nó gia nhiệt cái hỗn hợp này của mình lên để làm sao mà làm các cái nguyên liệu của mình nó được chín một phần ở trong đây. Đó, và sau khi nó được làm chín một phần trong đây thì nó sẽ chuyển đến cái máy tiếp theo, đó chính là cái máy ép viên. Thì tại cái máy ép viên này thì nó sẽ sử dụng cái năng lượng của cơ khí để chuyển cái năng lượng cơ khí thành năng lượng nhiệt để làm chín nốt cái phần cám còn lại của mình. Đó thì sau khi mà mình đã thêm hơi, nước và các cái nguyên liệu của mình làm nóng lên ấy, thì mình sẽ phải có một cái máy để sấy khô cám hoặc là làm mát cám. Thì tùy vào cái dây chuyền thì mình sẽ có dây chuyền sấy hoặc là không có sấy, tuy nhiên là cái nào thì cũng sẽ phải có cái dây chuyền làm mát để đưa cái viên cám mình nó về nhiệt độ môi trường và đồng thời lấy đi ẩm. Thì đến đó là chúng ta sẽ đã hoàn thành cái công đoạn là làm được cái viên cám thành phẩm để cái con vật nuôi nó có thể ăn được rồi. Thì tùy thêm những con vật nuôi thì mình sẽ có những cái thêm những cái giai đoạn phụ trợ thêm theo, nhưng mà đa phần nó sẽ luôn có những cái công đoạn chính là như thế này.
Sorry, Trường. So, in the end of process, why do we need cooling?
Also, okay, because we need cooling because after the pelleting, the pellet either the feed is very hot. It's after the pellet chamber. You see, in the right is the pellet chamber. After the pellet out of the pellet chamber, it's maybe 70 or 30 Celsius degree. Yeah. So the environment just maybe 40 or it may be 30 to 40 Celsius degree, and we cooling it so it will be dry. Yeah, because if it is not dry enough, it will have the moisture, a lot of moisture, so it will be have a mold. A mold is a nấm mốc. Yeah. We have mold in the bucket of feed, so the farmer don't like it, and maybe the pig eat the feed with mold. It will be die or something. It will lose its weight.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Got it.
I will go to the next slide.
Why you add the water in the first place if you have to dry and cool it later?
Yeah, because you know when you cook you cook rice, when we eat every day, we need to have water to make the rice shorter.
Okay.
Yeah, because in the grain like corn and wheat, you know, we have the gelatin. Gelatin is a tinh bột.
Yes.
Yeah, so it need to it will need to make to break out to small piece to small stack to absorb in the stomach of pig.
So basically, you need water in order to cook. After that,
we need steam and water. So
right.
We need temperature. We need three things to cook: either temperature and water and the time. It's a three factor.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, I will move to next slide.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. You see, it's one type of grinder. Grinder is for grinding. It's the pulverizer. Pulverizer, it will make the ingredient. The pulverizer grinder will make the ingredient will be very fine with a small particle score. It's like your wheat flour when you buy to cook in your family. It's very fine. The particle small is like is 100% part the 250 micron. It's very small. And the next is the hammer mill.
Sorry, I want to ask you.
In the past or this slide?
Yes. Last slide.
Yeah.
I just want to ask, this machine made by Vietnam people or another country?
This way, you see in the left is a machine made by China. But in Vietnamese, I know now is have some supplier can make it.
Yes.
Yes. But in feed industry, a lot of supplier will supply the spare part for our machine. Yeah. Not all of the machine, but spare part they supply is very good with small cost, with low cost, lower than other supplier from other country.
Yeah. Machine of Chinese. Yes, I got it.
Yeah, I show you here is the grinder, the hammer grinder. It's use the hammer to break the ingredient. It will be smaller than in the mining industry. It's smaller than in mining industry. And the different with in mining industry is we have the fan to put out the ingredient for, and it make the ingredient come from inside the grinding chamber to outside of the sleeve here easier. And here we have a magnet to prevent outfit from iron space. And here we have this stone here you see the green point. You see the green point next to the grinder.
Yes.
Yeah. It's a part to remove stone and something heavy particle to protect our grinder, because in feed industries it's very easy to make a boom. That's okay. Anyone know in English?
Yeah.
Explore.
Explore.
Explore. It is dust exploration. In feed energy is very, if we have dust exploration, it's when destroy all of the plant. It's very dangerous. So we have to remove all of the stone and heavy particle here. But the principle is we use air to blow into the green chamber. Heavier is wind put here, and the feed will be blow into the green chamber. And I will move to next slide.
Mr. Trường.
Yeah.
In the right picture, and I see the machine is placed in the other floor of factory.
Yeah.
Could you describe and give more detailed information about the
right picture? Yeah. As I say before, we have a grinder in the first floor. You see, in the first floor we have a grinder. Yeah. So because we have to have a fan to you see in we have a air admission.
Yes.
Yeah, we need air admission, so we have a fan in the top. Yeah. So we will air inlet here, and the air will help us to remove the stone and heavy particle. Yeah. So the first is the ingredient will come from the second floor.
Raw material will.
Yeah, raw material is here because we have some we call it is bin. Like trash bin. The bin will maybe 40 meters is square and microwave. So it's very high. Yeah, and after the air will bring the ingredient from inside of the grinding chamber to outside of grinding chamber through the slip. After the ingredient go out the slip, tức là cái lưới nghiền á. Yeah, it will be smaller and will be fine and small particle.
And the final product gather in the inlet.
No. This is a big size of the small particle I from the arrow. Yeah, it is a bigger size. I just zoom in. Yeah. So you is inlet of grinder here.
Yeah, thank you for your information.
Yeah. And it depends on what about you need about the particle score. If you need a small, very small, you need a mention here in the second floor. It's called turbo shifter. Yeah, in Vietnamese it's the máy xàng quay á. Because it's very small, so you cannot use the Viber screen. You have to use a turbo shifter to screen it. Yeah, and after we screen it, it have the ingredient what we want here.
Yeah. Thank you for your information.
Yeah.
Mr. John, so the ingredient will be transported from the lower floor to the higher floor by the pipe?
Yes, by the fan.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Yeah. In pool riser you see here, it will be have a big fan upper, and just if the particle is small enough, it can be use fan, but if not, it will live in the grinder to grind again.
Sorry everyone, we have many slides, but it's already 9:30. Please piece up a little bit. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I will go fast. And here is pelleting in vertical pellet mill. It's will apply for small capacity. All of it like the video you can see here. You can see the video on the right.
Yes. You can see it's running.
Yeah, it's running. And do you want to see a real machine like that in Vietnam?
Yes, please.
Can you see my screen? Can you see the?
Not yet.
Okay, please. Okay. So I will share my screen on my screen.
Yeah, you should share full screen.
You can see,
see
the
okay.
video
Yes.
now.
Yes.
This machine is made by Vietnamese, okay?
Ngọc An xin kính chào quý vị và bà con. Nhằm mục đích giúp đỡ bà con trong việc giảm chi phí giá thành thức ăn chăn nuôi, công ty Bình Minh đã chế tạo và cho ra đời dòng sản phẩm máy ép nóng tiền F150 giúp bà con tận dụng nguồn nguyên liệu sẵn có, giá thành rẻ của địa phương để làm ra viên nóng cho vật nuôi nhà mình. Máy ép nóng tiền F150 có thể ép được đa dạng các loại nguyên liệu thô tươi như các loại bột cá, ngô hạt, rau cỏ băng nhỏ, cua, cá, ốc thành những viên rán chắc mịn dinh dưỡng cho vật nuôi. Máy ép nóng tiền F150 sử dụng động cơ 3 đến 3,5 kW, nguồn điện gia đình 220V, thích hợp với tất cả các hộ chăn nuôi nhỏ lẻ gia đình, cho nguồn năng suất từ 100 đến 150 cân trên một giờ. Nếu bà con muốn sử dụng máy ở những nơi không có điện, máy ép nóng tiền F150 hoàn toàn có thể dùng đầu nổ thay thế, rất tiện lợi đối với bà con. Và ở video ngày hôm nay, Ngọc Nga đã chuẩn bị các loại nguyên liệu phổ biến có ở khắp mọi nơi để cho bà con khu vực khác nhau sẽ có đa dạng các loại nguyên liệu với giá thành khác nhau. Ví dụ như ở ngoài Bắc, ngô hạt là loại nguyên liệu phổ biến, giá thành rẻ. Nhưng đối với miền Trung, ngô hạt lại có giá thành cao, lúa mì lại là nguyên liệu phổ biến. Từ đó, bà con có thể làm ra các công thức ép cám viên với giá thành khác nhau, nhưng tự chung lại đều sẽ giúp quý vị giảm thiểu chi phí nguồn thức ăn cho vật nuôi từ chiếc máy ép cám viên F150. Máy mới khi mua về, bà con lưu ý giúp Ngọc Nga đó là trong máy chạy thử trước từ 10 đến 15 cân bột cám gạo cho trơn mặt sàng, rồi thì mới bắt đầu cho chạy với các nguyên liệu khác. Trong quá trình chạy máy, bà con cũng lưu ý lúc nào cũng phải để buồng làm việc có nguyên liệu. Máy có 3 loại mặt sàng, 3 ly, 4 ly và 5 ly để cho bà con lựa chọn phù hợp với vật nuôi và quá trình sinh trưởng của chúng. Và nếu bà con muốn điều chỉnh độ dài ngắn của viên cám, bà con hãy dùng cờ lê để điều chỉnh dao cắt cám nằm dưới mặt sàng như kỹ thuật viên đang làm. Bà con nâng dao cắt cám lên để viên cám ngắn, hạ dao cắt cám xuống để viên cám dài. Trong quá trình hoạt động, máy sinh nhiệt từ 60 đến 70 độ nên viên cám khi ra sẽ ấm nóng. Bà con có thể trực tiếp đem cám vừa mới làm ra cho vật nuôi ăn. Nếu bà con muốn bảo quản lâu dài thì đem đi phơi hoặc sấy khô rồi đem đóng bao.
Okay, we went back to my slide.
Giờ đây, bà con đã có thể chủ động sản xuất ra những viên cám cho vật nuôi theo chế độ dinh dưỡng của mình, nhờ tận dụng những phụ phẩm nông nghiệp sẵn có dư thừa trong sản xuất nông.
Yeah. So can you share again?
Yeah, I will share again. Okay. I will move to next slide now. Yes, you see, it's a small type. It's a vertical. So this is it's a horizontal pellet mill. It's maximum to 40 ton per hour. 40 ton per hour. Yes, we use this type of pellet mill to produce our product because it have a big capacity, high capacity. You see, in the left is the world's largest spring die pellet mill. You see this an Europe, not Europe. It's in American people.
So yeah. you mean this picture took from your company, right?
It's not in my company. I cannot use the picture in the company, but it's the same. Our machine is smaller than this. Maybe a half of this capacity. You see what about the a spy of this machine? This have a roller like before you see in this clip, but it's bigger and it's in horizontal, not in the vertical like before.
Yes, please go.
Yeah. And other way to make pellet is extrusion technical. You see, back to your childhood, you see, we all of us here eat it in the past.
No, normally it's not Vietnam. Maybe you're familiar with that, but from Da Nang to Saigon, we're not really familiar with this.
Yes. So
yes.
Normally we call in the north of Vietnam, we call mong. Yeah.
Yes, I know it. Yeah, I know it. But especially for people living in the south of Vietnam, it's not really familiar. Yeah.
No, this is very common in the south.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Maybe it's somewhere in Long An, right? Tiền Giang. Yes.
Yes.
Extrusion technology.
We usually don't see how
we wish for aqua nutrition.
It made a lot of childhood memory for both us.
Yeah, I will go to next slide. Yeah, but in a bigger size here. The bigger size here, we can make 10 ton per hour. So yeah, some is different with pelleting. You see before is we need more steam and water for extrusion than pelleting. Is maybe 4 to 6 times to pelleting, and we need more energy. Yes, in my plan, if I can the same is 250 kilowatt. In pellet mill, I can got 20 ton capacity, but in extrusion just maybe 5 ton per hour.
Yes.
And we need dryer to dry it because we use a lot of water. Maybe 20% water to cook the ingredient. This means that if you want to cook 1 ton, you will need to put 200 kilogram water. So we need to dry it. So the extrusion is expensive, more expensive than pelleting, but the extrusion pellet can get higher pellet durability, and it's good for fish, shrimp, and for pet. The pet food also use the extrusion, not use pellet. Do you have a pet in your house?
No.
No. Yeah, so this is the technical is the technique to make the pellet for your pet.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah, cat food and dog food is actually
dog food and cat food is make like this. By this machine we can make it, but with higher standard. Yeah, so you can see here is how it work. How it work here. Other video. Can you see the video?
yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so this conditioning we mix it with steam and water. Yeah. It will compress the ingredient before it go out here.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And yes, how is it's how it work. The ingredient will be compressed to 20 or 30 bar here, and after it go out to the atmosphere pressure, it will be expansion principle like the in the right picture. The water and steam will evaporation very fast, so it will make the pellet bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
And after we have a pellet, after pelleting or extrusion, we will have some post pellet liquid application to spray some liquid like enzyme or enzyme or oil or something to make the animal like outfit.
Yeah.
It will think that is more delicious. And the first is the drum coater. The drum coater will have a nozzle here, and it will spray the liquid to the feet here. In normal condition, it will see like the picture in the right. Maybe I will go fast, and if we have time, we will come back and see some video later.
Yes, we already laser 10 minutes.
Yeah, and the second quarter is the mist quarter. You see here is a high speed liquid and make the liquid become a mist. A mist is Vietnamese màn sương đó. Sương mù.
Okay.
Yes. So the feed will go through the mist and it will mix with oil or liquid here. And the most modern is a vacuum coater. It can make the liquid absorb to the pellet very good condition.
So why do we need to coat the pallet?
Oh, we have to coat the pallet is have some reason. The first is with the pet food or fish feed. We need to put oil here because they need more oil than chicken or pig. They need a lot of oil for the fish. So because it's like the fish feed, if you put oil in the fish when you put to your bowl, it will make it will make the oil float on the bowl. So it will make your bowl be polluted, and your fish cannot absorb the fat here. So it is very waste. So we need the oil to absorb inside the pellet. So it's why we need vacuum coater. Because with two type of coater, I say before, it cannot spray high level of oil. Just the vacuum coater can do that.
Okay.
So the oil here will come inside the pellet, so it cannot move to the pole.
Okay, so we coat the pallet in order to add oil into the food.
Yeah. First is add oil, and the second is the fish very like the taste of fish oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
If we have fish oil in the fish, the fish will eat more than if we don't have oil here.
Yeah. Okay, you can continue.
Yeah, it's almost. So if you want to see video, I will come back. So that's all. We go. That's all. In after quarter, we can have the complete pellet, and other part is packing and transporting is not important. So I don't show here.
Yeah. So I think whole process may be a little bit complicated because of too many process. So Hello, Mr. Truong. One question for you. So about your customer. So all these products will be export or used in for local in Vietnam.
Yeah, we have a plan in Long An to export.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know? A fun fact is, do you know the vegetarian? Do you know they have a fish?
Sorry.
Do you know we export fish for vegetarian?
Yeah,
tức là những người ăn chay người ta sẽ vẫn nuôi
kiêng.
cá. Ăn chay luôn đấy.
Yeah.
So we have a plan to export and all of other plan to use in local market.
Yeah. So how
the
many?
max capacity of a plan is maybe 1,000 tons per hour per day.
So how many plants your company have in Vietnam?
In Vietnam, we had 10. We had 12.
12 plants. Wow.
Yeah, 12.
Too many.
Yeah. We have 12 plants and one plant to supply premix. It's about vitamin and mineral.
Yeah.
So your company make the machine, yeah?
No, we just use this machine. We buy it from other supplier from Europe, from you see in I show you here in the grinder here is from stone from France. And
okay, so
pellet mill from China, and extruder from Android in Europe. We have dryer and cooler from Zealand, from do you know Hà Lan in English?
Holland.
Holland. Yeah.
So you in your slide you talk with us. You told us like the explore. So how you control the safety?
So those exploration.
Yes.
Yes, we have some it's called critical safety device. It's like it means that if we have the spark is a small fire. Spark. If we have small spark in the grinder chamber, we will shut down the grinder and on process.
So you mean there are some sensor to detect?
Yeah, we have sensor to find the spark here.
So but
and we set that if we have more than 10 spark, we will shut down the grinder and some equipment near it.
So the fire is inside the machine or outside? So how you?
It's inside. It's inside the chamber. It's one device, and we have more device, and so we have the sensor to measure the temperature of the chamber. Because sometimes it don't have the spark, but the temperature of the chamber will be high.
So have you got that problem?
It's a little because this stone is very good.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes the problem because the hammer is too warm and it's go out and it's break the slip, so we make a lot of spark, but no problem. We will remove it and make it run again.
Okay, thank you.
Hi.
I wonder if we can fit some type of food product for animal, or so they can eat one type of product.
Oh, we have a lot of production for other animal. animal. You know, the chicken will have other feet this cycle when it is small, it have a difficult it have a feet, and when it grower, it will have other, and when before we use it product, we will use other feet.
So mean it means the chicken can eat the fish product.
Yeah. No. The chicken should be feed by chicken feed.
Yes, we should choose the right food for our animal.
Yeah. You should choose right food for animal.
Yes.
We have a lot of type of feed for type of animal. Chicken Vietnamese traditional chicken is different with industries chicken. You know, gà công nghiệp. Yeah, we call it nutrition is not the same.
It's your chicken. It's your.
You mean this the chicken 45 kilogram?
Yeah, it are the chicken.
All right. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can I say something? I think this was time I joined this club, and I'm really lucky that I accepted by the admin. So I just want to greet you all here. Say hello, and my name is Vũ, and I'm from my hometown is Quang Truong province.
Okay.
And right now I'm working in Tam Kỳ of Quảng Nam province. My company is
Sorry. Can you repeat?
Taco.
Yeah.
There's one more guy taco here, Mr. Tính, right?
Yeah, Tin just introduced me about this group, and I see it's really interesting.
Yes.
And really appreciate that the admin accepted me here.
Yes. Because we do have more than 10 minutes to discussion about this. The topic today. After 10, we have around now. Maybe we have free time to introduce, and also we make friends together. Mr. Vũ, please wait a little bit. Okay, very soon we'll back into introduce. Yes, very soon. Yeah.
Right.
Any question for anh Trường about this one? Okay.
May I ask you, Mr. Trường, may I ask you one question? Is it the same the product for chicken and duck?
It depends on what and what do you want, because we don't advise you is you don't use this like this, because we have a feed products. You know, even if the duck you feed the duck to get the egg, it's different that you feed the duck to get meat.
Yeah, because I see normally the product for chicken and duck is different, and for duck is longer. Therefore, I think.
Yeah, because I see the feed for chicken have more protein than for duck production.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sorry, Mr. Trường, can I have a question?
Yeah.
As I know, the hardness ratio for pellet, does it have any different with dog food or cattle food? Because I think the hardness ratio of the palette will depends on the material. So does it have any different about the hardness ratio of the palette?
Yeah. It's about the ingredient is the first, but in our machine we can change something to get harder palette.
Yeah.
You mean in pet food like for dog or cat?
Yeah.
For dog and cat we often use this machine is a extruder. We call it extruder.
Yeah.
So we have some part of this machine we can change to make your palette harder.
Yeah.
I will show you again. You see the in the floor here. You see in the floor we have 2 screws.
Yeah.
If we change the step of this screw, it will make your palette harder or shorter. It's one of the things. And moreover is the die ring. I will show you in the video.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I will share with you the video.
Yeah.
Somehow so many person really like that topic, right?
Yes, because I used to have a chance to internship in a factory this field.
Okay.
So you can see the video.
Yeah, I can see it.
I will make it quick to this. Yes, you can see a lot of things we can do with this machine to it harder. You see at the first conditioning here. If we make it slower, it will make your palette harder.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, because I say one of the factor will make better quality of the palette is the time. So the time in conditioning is longer, is better.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah.
So how about the commonly they need the diameter difference? So how you choose the right machine to get your recipe?
It is depend on the market, because if we have a lot of type of machine, maybe 10 ton per hour or 20 ton per hour or 40 ton per hour. It depend on the market here.
And this one related to the diameter of ballast.
Yeah, it will be depend on the die. On the die is one of the factor. I will answer the question of Mr. Quang.
Yeah.
You see here we have this is the screw with a lot of small screw we can see in the floor.
Yeah.
We have a lot of small screw here, and if we change the parameter of screw, it will make the quality of the pelleting will be changed, softer or harder or bigger. It's easy.
So the smaller is the expensive. It's more expensive.
The smaller screw is the expensive. It's a small step, not small screw. It's small step is the small. Yeah.
Okay, got this. Thank you.
Yeah, it's about the screw, and moreover is here. The technique of the die here is the wing thicker die will make will make harder palette.
Yeah.
But the absorption and the bit of the size will be smaller.
Yeah. So
the diameter will be small, but the height of the hardness of palette will be increased.
Yes. So when I see this step, so I remember that in Hyperwork have a software to simulation for this process, right, Mr. Quang?
Yeah. Because you know, in Vietnam, we cannot make the machine because we don't have the engineer, the good engineer, and the software. Also, this is not HyperMesh, but we have a software named EDM. It's a simulation mix between many material. Like you want to mix the vaccine or the fish food. Also, you use the software to mix as diameter you can.
Yeah. Sorry, Mr. Trường. In Vietnam, have the R&D center for this product even now, or when
formation or for our products?
For your product?
Yes, we have in head office in Ho Chi Minh City.
Yeah.
So because all of them come from agricultural university.
Yeah.
So they will know how much either good for this animal but not for that animal.
Yeah.
So we just produce as a one.
That means you always have new product for market, right?
It's not always new because sometimes the standard of the market will be high. Yeah. You know, because the example is the duck for it product for duck, it will need to be harder than for chicken product.
Yeah.
Yes, because the duck eat near the water, so we need harder pellet.
So your company make medicine, right?
No, we don't. We don't make medicine.
Okay, so medicine maybe is hardest because it's really small.
Yeah.
Mr. Trường.
Hi.
Can we assert the number of pallet produced per second, or the same on the size of pallet based on we change the whole dimension?
Oh, if you want to change the diameter of the pellet.
Yes.
Yeah. If with the extrusion, with the extrusion, you can change the diameter a little. Because if you add more water and more steam, it will make bigger pellet. But with the pellet mill, you have to change your die ring. You have to change. We have to change the die ring to make other side. And the parameter just adjust a little diameter, but not a big size.
Depends on the machine, right?
Yeah, because if I modify some parameter, it just make from 2 or 3 millimeter. It's not very big. If you want to make a double diameter, we need to change other die.
Can we increase the number of holes to increase the product of the pallet can produce per second?
Oh yes, you can increase the number of hole in a diring, but it will meet a problem either when you increase the number of hole. It will make your diring will be weak, so it's not safe for your machine. And it's about cost because now a diring for pellet mill is maybe around 200 million Việt Nam đồng. It's not cheap.
Mr. Truong, how often do you need to maintain this machine?
Also, we have we will buy in a lot of time. We will be 1 week, 2 week, and 1 month, 2 month, and quarterly. Some of that need 3 year one time for 3 year, but some is every day or 1 week one time per week. It's depend on part of machine. But we have to do it.
And how do you clean the inside of the machine?
Clean inside.
Yes.
Yeah. With this machine is extrusion.
Yes.
Yeah. In this extrusion, we will pump water inside after we stop producing. We will pump water inside the screw. We will pump water here and leave the water inside the machine. And the next day we start again. We will remove the water and put steam and water and waste it again. It's okay.
And that will get all the remaining material out.
Yeah, all of it. Because we will put water in here maybe two days. It's about 2 days off.
Yes, 2 days. Oh, is it gonna corrode your extruder screw?
What?
When you yeah, I'm asking about the expose of the screw to water. Do you worry about the chance of corrosion?
It's no problem because the corrosion of the screw is come from the material, not for the water. The best long life of this I use for 3 years.
Yes, 3 years is good.
So
yeah, but it's the original, but the next time it is not long like this.
So sometimes it's stuck. So how do you solve it?
It's stuck here.
Yes.
Yes, if it's not normal, it's not usually stuck. But when it's stuck, we will remove one by one.
Manually.
I will share my slide again.
Okay.
Okay, you can see my slide here. Here, you see here, it's we can remove one by one to remove the stuck. Maybe it was 3 or 4 hours. It's normal.
Oh.
So it's affect to your process too much, I think.
It's it hardly stuck here. I have to tell that because we run it automatically, and if it have a high loss, we will remove the inside the inside fit ingredient first. So rarely and hardly stuck inside the extruder.
Okay,
Yeah.
because the material is soft, right?
Yeah,
it's not like the mining.
Remove the inlet short, so no more stuck inside the extruder.
Okay, Good.
And moreover, the extruder will use for the plastic industries, as I know.
Okay.
I wonder that this machine needs a worker for operation, or it can be programmed to work automatically.
Okay, can you repeat it?
I wonder that this machine can need the worker to for operation, or it can program to work automatically.
Oh, it will work automatically, but we have one operator to control this program. And the quality of pallet in the process. In my ship, I have two operator, one for pallet mill and one for extrusion.
Sorry, Mr. Truong. Yeah. Have you ever got a problem about the die break in extrusion section?
Oh, it's not in my ship, but I in my company have one case.
Yeah.
When the die of extrusion break, it will make our knife. You see the knife to cut the pellet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it have to be.
Hello, Mr. Truong. I'm curious about the ingredient of the feed. Beside the natural ingredients, do you have to put the growth factor or
artificial, right?
You mean promoting factor or chemical? Yes.
Oh, we don't use we don't use material. If if Vietnamese prohibit by it, we don't use.
Yeah.
You have to. I will tell you what we have to put something like vitamin or mineral or something like protein. It have other acid amine because you know cái nguyên lý mà chiếc thùng rỗng ở trong mọi người biết cái nguyên lý chiếc thùng rỗng không?
Chưa biết.
Tức là cái thùng mà nó bị thủng ấy thì nó sẽ được ghép bởi những cái miếng ván khác nhau, thì là cái nước nó sẽ chảy qua ở vị trí của cái miếng ván thấp nhất, thì chất lượng của một cái thức ăn chăn nuôi nó được đánh giá trên là cái tỷ lệ chuyển đổi của con vật ấy. Thì thành ra nếu mà mình tức là nếu mà mình mua cám ở trên thị trường thì nó sẽ có rất là nhiều loại và nó luôn luôn có cái chỉ tiêu là cái lượng đạm trong cái loại cám đấy. Thì từ trước đến nay thì đa phần mọi người đều cho rằng là cái lượng đạm nó càng cao thì cám càng tốt đấy, tức là động vật sẽ lớn nhanh hơn nếu mà cái thức ăn của mình có đạm cao hơn. Tuy nhiên là xét về cái mặt mà nó cân bằng đạm thì nó phải nhiều đạm nhưng mà nó phải là đều nhau. Thì một trong số các vấn đề mà mình gặp phải ở các nhà máy mà họ không có độ công thức mạnh ấy, và vấn đề mà mình gặp với lại cái trường hợp mà mình nấu cám cổ truyền ngày xưa ấy, là nó sẽ mất cân bằng cái axit amin ở trong đấy. Thì thành ra là lượng đạm thì cao nhưng mà cái con vật hấp thu không được bao nhiêu cả, cho nên là những cái chuồng lợn đấy nó sẽ rất là mùi đấy. Còn nếu mà khi mà các axit amin nó được cân bằng ấy, thì đa phần là con lợn nó sẽ tiêu hóa được hết cái thức ăn đấy, đa phần thì nó sẽ lớn nhanh hơn và cái chuồng lợn nó sẽ ít mùi đi. Đấy là cái mà nó là chỗ đấy là tại sao mình cần một công thức và họ tính toán rất là kỹ. Thì đôi khi mình vẫn phải thêm các cái loại axit amin, ví dụ như là lysine hay là tyrosin để mình bù cho những cái loại đấy, là mình phải dùng cái đó. Còn ví dụ như các cái con non thì mình cũng sẽ có những cái để mình chống tiêu chảy hay gì đó cho nó, chứ mình sẽ không có cái chất mà để tăng cân hay gì cả, mình sẽ không có cái.
Thank you.
Trường cho hỏi tiếng Việt luôn cái ấy là cái mà mình muốn khuấy theo công thức của mình nhưng mà mình mua máy của bên nước ngoài thì làm sao mà khuấy được đúng như công thức mình muốn?
Có anh, nếu mà anh muốn khuấy theo cái của mình ấy thì đa phần bất kỳ công ty nào cũng có, cả công ty em cũng có, nó đều có cái loại đậm đặc ấy anh. thì là những cái nguyên liệu chính thì nó đã cho trong đấy rồi, thì anh chỉ cần lấy đó anh pha với cái nguyên liệu của anh nữa là anh có thể dùng được.
Nghĩa là cái máy nó vẫn khuấy đúng cái liều lượng, cái công thức của mình.
Không, ví dụ như là như ở trong nhà máy em ấy thì em sẽ có cái máy để em cân rất là chính xác rồi, tức là em cân cả tấn nó chỉ sai có 5 đến 10 cân thôi. Còn ví dụ như mà ở ngoài mà anh muốn cân, tức là anh đang hỏi là anh muốn sử dụng cái sản phẩm đấy ở nhà hay như nào anh?
Không, nghĩa là mình muốn khuấy cái pallet nó đều nhất, nó trộn, nó mix đều nhất.
Cái mix, khi mà mix
đúng
cái
rồi.
đấy thì bọn em có một cái máy trộn 6 tấn, thì cái đấy là bọn em thiết kế nó là trộn 8 tấn, nhưng mà mình sẽ trộn dưới nó, mình sẽ trộn 6 tấn một mẻ, thì là cái thời gian của nó là sẽ khuấy tự động này, và những cái thời gian mà mình bơm nước cái gì nó sẽ là bơm tự động, và cứ định kỳ là hàng năm là mình sẽ phải kiểm định lại xem cái sau thời gian đấy nó khuấy nó đã đủ đều hay chưa.
Cái đó là mình tự thiết kế sản xuất ở Việt Nam, còn cái máy này là mua nước ngoài riêng khác.
Đúng rồi.
Rồi ý là mình hỏi rồi ok, cảm ơn.
Got it. Okay, thank you everyone. I think it's the time to introduce new person today. A little bit late. It's already 10 maybe 10:30. Wait, sorry, maybe 10:15. Okay, maybe if you have any question, please add Mr. Trường Lê in the personal.
And I can answer you about.
Yes, we have a very strong group, zero group. You can inbox Mr. Trường, and maybe he will support you to get information and understand more about this one. And really thank for Trường, because you prepare very well for the topic today, even many informations about the pictures and also about a video to make every people hear more clear about feed industry. Thank you a lot. Yes. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you all you.
Yes, and hope other speaker in the next topic, please prepare your topics with more with more informations and a video and also the pictures similar with Trường. But please keep in mind that we have we have a limit of times. Yes, to present your slide. Yes, yeah. So now it's the time to introduce for a new person. Maybe Mr. Young, right? Right. Is today is some person is very new. Yes.
Yeah. Let me say something.
Vũ, okay.
Yeah.
Hi,
Right.
hi.
I just joined the group in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Really new, and I really like this one. Really interesting.
Yeah.
Before I used to be an engineer, and I think that time I really really like this field, and something you say talk, and you made me feel really like memorable. But because right now I changed my job, we changed to a real different field, but I still feel really interesting.
Yeah. But what are you doing now, Mr. Vũ?
Yeah, right now I'm kind of exporter. I work for Taco, like an exporter vehicle to the to other countries, to the foreign customers, and all the things we deal with them related to our product and our vehicles. But when I hear something about machine, about the kind of Mr. Trường Lê just presented to you, I feel really interesting. Yeah, thank you for that.
Maybe you have a engineer DNA here. Yes, and hope someday you can share with us some information about your field export. Yes, thank you, Mr. Vũ, a lot. Yes.
And I would like to say something about myself. I come from Quang Tri province, and have you heard about Quang Truong.
Yes, I know it.
Yeah, I know it.
Yes.
Yeah, I wonder that is there any member here who come from Quang Truong?
I think not.
Yeah,
No.
kind of really strange because I guess that most of you are like northern people, northern area, right?
Yeah. So
Hanoi and around that.
And
Hanoi
not
and
area,
Hà Nam.
not, no, it's like me. I'm in Saigon now.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
so I'm in Hanoi. Yeah.
Actually, when I say something in Vietnamese, like my accent, my local accent, really bad. That's why I also have to study Vietnamese at the moment, even I am Vietnamese. I have to have like a popular accent like Hanoi and Hanoi. Yeah.
Yeah. Correct.
Sometimes I have some problem, like I cannot pronounce this word in Vietnamese very well, and make some misunderstanding even between me and our staff in office. Yeah, I really feel really bad. Okay.
Don't worry about it. One of my best friend, he's born and live in Quang Truong now. Yes, he have a while working in Saigon. We working together about 2 years. At the very first time I met him, yeah, sure. Actually, he speaks something very, very hard to understand. And I asked him again so many times. But after 1 month, 2 months, yeah, we easy to understand each other. No problem. Yes.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. One day we will have like a really open conversation even in Vietnamese that we can learn from.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Vũ. Mr. Nhân, right? Nhân is a new one,
Hello.
right? Yep.
I joined this club last week, and
oh my God.
I'm working in Saigon for the company that sell car tire.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. When you say something about the car tire, now I remember you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Jen already joined with us last time. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Trường ask someone else. I don't remember all.
Yeah. So I think the new guys here have Lê Phát Viên, right? Hello, Mr. Lê Phát Viên.
Hello.
Yes. Can you introduce yourself?
Myself. Sorry, I'm shy.
No shy.
It's in the
I
group.
don't know.
No girl here. We all boy or man. Now, please don't shy. Okay.
So
Now,
careful. I see some ladies.
Yeah. I don't know what I should say now.
Okay, some guy like for you. Okay, we already know your names. What are your majors? Are you working or studies? What are your companies? What are your field? Where you live? Yes, some very normal information.
Okay.
Maybe lacking.
My name is Viên, and
Yes.
now I'm live in Hanoi, and I am a mechanical engineer. Now I'm work at Viettel M1. This is a company of Viettel Group, and my duty is research, design, and manufacture some equipment for military. Like radar, antenna, or some car. I hope I can share my job or share more information about me in next time. Or I have trained to present my major in a topic in the next time.
Yeah.
Sorry, because in my environment work, I'm not use English to talk with people because all people in at company is Vietnamese.
Okay, but I think your English is not bad. It's enough to communicate, and at least if you have a take time.
So I'm just doing. Yeah, so that's why I when I must to talk by English. Can you hear me?
It's a little bit locking.
There's problem about the internet over there.
We lost him.
Come on.
Ving, so where are you now, please? Okay, in the time we waiting for Ving back, maybe
He's
Phan
busy
Đại,
with
right?
your friend.
Yeah, Phan Đại, right? Mr. Phan Đại, Đại Phan, sorry.
Yes, me.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you show the handsome face to us?
No. I turned off the camera for reasons.
No,
But he's with her friend right now.
Okay.
So
whatever. So please introduce yourself, please.
Who?
Đại Phan, right? In the first time, I never see you before.
Oh, so best. I have reset last topic.
Yeah, Mr. Đại is old guy. He already worked for Ford Vietnam. Yeah.
You know what? Even no, anytime when you turn on the cameras, I don't know who you are. Okay.
So I think it's time for Mr. Quang Truong. Quang Truong, hello, Mr. Quang or Mr. Truong.
Hello everybody, my name is Quang.
Oh yeah.
My name is
so
Quang. Yeah.
Can you turn on your camera to?
Sorry, okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
My name is Quang.
Yeah.
I am electronic engineer. So I live in Ho Chi Minh City and I work for Yokogawa company DC Japan company. Yeah.
Hey, Yokogawa, yes.
Yokogawa. So
anh Cường, sorry, anh Cường still working there?
Yeah, Mr. Cường is my boss.
Okay, country general manager, right? Okay.
Yeah, you know, Mr. Cường. You have project with him?
No, I'm working for Kian, and sometimes somehow I know him. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
I do in test measurement business, and I very happy to join with everybody and learn the technical knowledge from you, because technical very vast and many things to learn. And I join many English clubs, so they talk a lot about daily activity. And but when I see Mr. Truong introduce about English club for engineer, and I'm very excited. And so and I also read some presentation from Mr. Truong about the fitting machine, and I feel very happy with this club, and I think I can learn a lot from all of you. And thank you. This year first time I join, and I hope can meet you in another time.
Thank Mr. Wang.
Yeah.
Okay, every people here. Yokogawa is a very famous brand, Japan brand about measure equipment, about the record equipment and other ones. Very famous in Japan. And maybe if you working in the factory, maybe you see a lot of equipment from Yokogawa. And if Mr. Wang, you ready to share somehow, and you can introduce him to share. Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
Yes. And back to Ving. Ving, or you already come back, right? Ving.
I'm here.
Okay, now keep continue. Okay, we lost you somehow.
Maybe
Hello?
internet in trouble.
I can find what to say now.
Still shy? Still shy?
Yes.
You must say the tell to support this.
So in
because
fact,
I don't know what I should say now.
Yeah. So
Okay, I have a question for you, Ving. Okay,
yes.
you told that you desire some equipment for militaries like a radar antenna, right? But just now, your company is just a normal one, or it just belonging to military?
Yes. We hello.
Yes. Sir.
So we research and design and manufacture some equipment.
Yes.
That's something I don't know say English with name English. That's because I'm don't prepare for your question today, and now it's difficult for me to show detail my product or my job.
Okay.
I think so.
Yeah. There's one more question. The last question for you is about your job, because I think it's a sensitive field, right? Sensitive things. Okay, militaries or army things about weapons, antennas. I think is a secret one. Yeah, can you share about the products or about the job later on in the next topic? Can you?
Yeah.
Oh,
maybe.
It's not secret at all. It's not a secret one.
No.
No. About a job, about the products, because you tell me that the product is used for military purpose, right? For defending. Can you share?
Yes. I cannot share picture of my product, but
Yes.
I'm can searching some photo.
Yeah.
Like my product, and I'm can introduce for everyone.
Could be interesting.
I'm seeing many people in there works on the same my major, like some people work for VinFast or Taco.
Yeah.
Yes, because my company manufacture some car too.
Really? What is the brand?
Might be X something, right? Ving.
Yeah, and it's the same.
No. I mean for the such as factory belonging to military or military to government. Sometimes it start from X, like a X145, X1003 something. It don't have a name. It has a code, right?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. Well,
right?
we manage all products with a code.
Yeah, it don't have a name, but maybe your factory or your company is the name is X123 and the product is X0.0 something.
Correct.
Huh? Okay, got it. Okay. But I really interested and curious about military thing, especially if you can share how an antenna can define or detect the aircraft or some things, or what is different between the normal car and military car or something. It would be nice. I really interesting about that, because we do the same things. We know how in the general thing, but military is a different one. It's totally different one. It's a unique, and no people here working in that field, and you are just the only one. And I think yeah, I really curious about it. What's the special there? What is the special thing why it's so expensive or why it's so secret, why it's so now unique, some things. And hope you can now share with us later in other topic. Really hope that. Yes.
I think the same many measure. The mechanical why knowledge and so and me and some people maybe work on the same field, but my job is very different, and we can share with share each other, and I may learn a lot from others.
Hey, yes. Yes.
So
yeah.
Thank you, Viet. So I think it's time for lady.
And
Miss
Are you plan watching football midnight?
Vietnam China?
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Chia ơi. Please let's talk a little bit. Yeah. So you still stay there. So how about your son? Already go to bed?
Yeah. My baby sleeping, so I don't rely on.
Yeah. So, but I think I should not make the noise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. I hear your voice is very low voice. Yeah. Yes. So have you got anything to share for us? So because I think today you join because Mr. Lê Trường is the presenter.
Yeah. I'm sorry that
So you and Mr. Trường is the same student club when you study at university, right?
Yes. Yes.
Maybe she can speak loud.
Yes. So but it's difficult for her. Yeah. Because his son is sleeping.
Yeah. I'm wearing an earphone, so the voice not good.
Maybe it's time for her son to
Yeah.
sleep. Maybe don't make some noise.
Yeah.
All right. Would you like to introduce something about this group, like when it's founded and who's founder and something like that? Really interesting.
Yeah, I think let's meet Chi in silent. So for his baby, for her babies. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Another guy. Not yet.
Ask that when did this group start, and is Mr. Nguyễn Phúc Trương founder or something like that?
Yeah, correct. Yeah. So I really want engineers have a club for English speaking. Yes, because with engineer, without language, foreign language, this time it's very hard to find a good job. Yeah. So that's I need to the first improve myself first. Yeah. So when I make this class, yes. So my English skill will be improved. Yeah. So after that, I have one to connect with the other guys, with the other engineer, with too many fields. So at that time we can connect and learn each other. Yeah. So Yes, I'm very exciting when there are many guys join this club. Yeah. So, but in fact, we need we have to do a lot to make our club more efficiently more. Yeah. So that I am trying to improve. Yeah. So if you have any idea for our club, yeah, you can suggest to us some activity or give some option for us to choose, and how we can improve, how we can expand, how we can let the other engineer to know this club for joining, yeah, and learn together. So I hope all our guys here can invite and share, so engineer join with us for learning.
Yeah, I can see that this group really big, and there's so many members.
Yeah,
it's over 200, right? 200 and a half.
Yes, but normally our member will from too many fields, electrical, mechanical, automation, architect, yeah, something like that. Too many fields, many major.
Yeah, so many different.
They will choose the suitable topic for joining. Yeah. So
this one really useful, I think so.
So normally this time normally have around 30 engineers join for one topic. Yeah, from 25 to 30 guys join. Yeah,
that's fine. I want to know, like, how many times per week we will gather like this and present something, some topics.
Yeah.
How many times per week?
Two times per week. Yeah, so on Monday and Thursday every week. Yeah, so at 20:30 we will open the room for engineer join.
Really?
Yeah. So about the topic, so you can contact me, yeah, and book the schedule. Yeah, so
really?
I will arrange for you. Yes, so you are welcome. Yeah. So we come here to learn and share and connect. Yeah.
I really appreciate that.
Yeah,
because I see that when we have so many different engineers from different areas, it could be really useful for expand our vocabulary. There's something related to something like he just presented us like about that machine. Well, I even didn't know too many words, but that I realized that I have something new to learn. So you can see I can learn that from other people. Yeah.
So in fact, Mr. Vũ, now you are exporter, not in engineering field, right?
Yeah, I after working as an engineer for 1 year, I changed. I moved to the automobile export sales department, and I work with clients and just for some deal in order to close the deal about contract and show them something related to our products. And that's why something related to like engineering, like corrosion and like some characters and specification. Oh, come on, it's really hard for me right now because I rarely use that now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but fine. I want to learn more and more. Even right now, I am not really engineer, but I also want to learn some other fields, some different vocabularies. Yeah, really appreciate that.
Yeah. Okay. So in our club, our group, there are too many things for you to learn. Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Mr. Vũ, in the company you're working, which brand taco will sell to another country?
For the export field, we also exported to Philippines, Thailand, and Singapore, and yeah, some neighbor countries in Asia. And we aiming to export more, but it's really hard right now because of coronavirus. Yeah.
Which brand?
Yeah. I mean, I will talk about the brand taco right now in Vietnam. Like we also collaborate with some company like Mazda, Kia, Mazda from Japan, Kia from Korea,
Yes.
and Peugeot from France, and BMW from Germany.
Yeah.
And we also build their cars, assemble their cars, and sell that in Vietnam.
Mr. Vũ, so if possible, next Monday, can you prepare a topic to introduce us about the taco product? It's okay.
For sure, I will make and present you something, but actually I will consider maybe next weekend maybe, because I need just time to do that.
Yeah, so on Monday is okay.
Monday is not good for me, I think so.
Yeah, so I already booked almost topic is full this month. So but unfortunately next Monday our guy is so busy. So that I am finding another speaker for next Monday. So
all right, that's okay. I will go try to make a brief presentation.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, for taco.
No problem.
Yeah, for taco and taco product is enough. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. I think.
Thank you for that.
Yeah. Good. I think.
Yes.
Yeah. I think.
It is times.
Possibly.
Okay.
Today so late.
Yeah, today is too late. Okay, thank everyone today to join, and once again, thank for speaker. Yeah, a very interesting topics. So many people interested about this one, and thank all you guys to join today and sharing your idea and also your point of view. Hope you like it. Yes. Okay. Thank you again.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Sleep well.
Good night, all.
Good night.
Okay.
Lecturer for Vietnam.
Lucky for Vietnam.
Vietnam win. Vietnam will win.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
So...
Bye bye. Okay, mọi người. Bye bye.
Goodbye. See you.
Goodbye.